Hello guys. Today I am going to talk about bounded buffer problem. We are going to use example between producer and consumer. So basically, we have a producer and a consumer. The maid will become the producer, while this guy in red clothing will become the consumer. I will show you what is bounded buffer problem using this example, and I hope you guys can learn a lesson or finally understand it in the most simplified way of this problem. I will show you the problem, the solution, and the correlation of this between the operating system. So let's get on with it. The producer, which is the maid, will produce the food that the consumer will consume. As for the consumer, which is this fine gentleman, he will consume the food that the producer will produce. So basically the problem that we have here is the producer will produce the food non-stop. And as for the consumer will not be able to finish all the food that have been produced by producer because he is full. Poor guy, he will get stomachache from all that much food. So all that leftover food will surely go to waste because the consumer is full and cannot eat anymore. But if the producer will just produce a limited amount of food, the supply of the food will eventually run out and the consumer will surely not be too happy because he is still hungry. So how do we fix this problem? The only way we can fix this problem is the producer must stop when the buffer is full. And as for the consumer, he will eat until the buffer is empty again and wait for the buffer to be full again. I mean, surely you can control your eating habits though. Just kidding. So when the buffer is empty again, the producer will produce the food again for the consumer to eat. And it will repeat again and again. So what it is correlation between operating system and the example we just show, which is the bounded buffer problem between the producer and consumer. So basically the producer is like operating system that giving resources for the consumer, which is the process. That is all for the video. I hope you guys understand and can learn something from this video. Thank you for watching.